$85,000 for a BMW X5 that could cost you $15,000 in repairs by year 5. Or $65,000 for a Lexus RX that runs for 300,000 miles? Here's the truth that German and Japanese salesmen will never tell you. And if you're keeping this SUV more than 5 years, everything changes. Look, I know what you're thinking. Another car comparison video. But here's why this one's different. I've spent 150 hours researching this. Owner forums, mechanic interviews, real repair data from guys who've owned both. No sponsored BS, just facts. So let's settle this. 8 minutes, no fluff. First, Germany. And I'll be honest with you, for the first 3 years, these are the best SUVs on the planet. The interior Nappa leather that costs $80 per square foot. Real aluminum, stitching you can feel. When you close the door, that thunk, that's German engineering. The technology BMW's iDrive, Audi's virtual cockpit, Mercedes M-Bucks. This isn't technology, it's science fiction. Massage seats, 360 cameras, night vision. Your Lexus dealer can't touch this. The performance, the X5 M50i, 523 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. You're moving 5,000 pounds like it's a sports car. The status, that BMW roundel, those Audi rings, Mercedes three-pointed star. Your neighbors notice. Business clients notice. It says, I've made it. But here's where the fairy tale ends. Year 4 hits water pump, fails. That's $1,400 installed. Transmission service, $850, thermostat, $900, control arm bushings, $1,200, that's $4,350 in 1 year, and we're just getting started. The part's nightmare. Need a headlight assembly? $2,800 for one side, air suspension compressor, $3,200, that cute little check engine light, could be $400, could be $5,000. It's like playing the lottery, except you always lose. The depreciation bomb. And here's the kicker. 5 years old, 60,000 miles. Your $85,000 BMW X5 is now worth $38,000. That's 55% of the value gone. That's $47,000 just gone. Now Japan. Here's the thing nobody wants to admit about a Lexus RX. It's not exciting. Nobody's making YouTube videos about how thrilling it is to drive to Costco. The interior's nice, but it's not German nice. The technology works, but it's 3 years behind. You're not showing off at the golf club with a Lexus RX. But let me show you something. The powertrain, that 3.5-liter V6 engine, there are documented cases of 380,000 miles, original engine, original transmission, not my friend's cousin. Documented, certified, real. The hybrid magic, the new RX 500h F-Sport performance? Listen to this. 360x horsepower, 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds, 33 mpg combined. That's BMW performance with Prius fuel economy. That's not supposed to exist. The maintenance reality, 150,000 miles of ownership. Let's compare. A German maintenance total, $22,300. Oil changes, $3,600. Brake jobs, $4,200. Coolant system, $2,800. Suspension work, $3,500. Transmission service, $1,700. Random failures, $6,500. Japanese maintenance total, $6,500. Oil changes, $1,800. Brake jobs, $12,100. Coolant system, $800. Suspension work, $0. Transmission service, $600. Random failures, $1,200. That's a difference of $15,800. That's not a theoretical number. That's real money in your account, not the dealer's. Now here's what really matters, and this applies whether you're in Texas, Toronto, Melbourne, or Manchester. We drive more outside Germany, we live differently. North America, Australia, we're covering 12,000 to 15,000 miles per year. Germans, 8,000. These cars weren't designed for our usage. Our roads are harder potholes in Montreal, summer heat in Phoenix, winter salt in Chicago, Australia's outback roads, UK's medieval streets. German autobahns are smooth, perfect. Our roads, they're testing grounds. We keep cars longer, 7, 8, 10 years, not German 3-year leases. So that BMW warranty runs out at year 4, mileage 50,000. You still have 6 years and 100,000 miles to go. Hope you've been saving. The dealer network, Toyota and Lexus dealerships, they're everywhere, parts in stock. Technicians who've seen these engines 1,000 times. Service bays open Saturday morning.